And today we have lead code problem number 704, binary search. And today we have to solve this question. And here is the question: binary search, not number search. So now we have to read this question. Given an array of integers nums, okay, which is sorted in ascending order. You have an array nums is given and it is sorted in ascending order, and an integer target you have given. Write a function to search target, okay, in nums. You have to write a function to search for target, means 9, in nums in this array. And if target exists, then return its index. If you target is present in nums array, suppose target is 9 and 9 is present in nums array, then we have to return its index, means we have to return 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, means 4th index, 4th. Okay, otherwise return -1. Okay, you must return, you must write an algorithm with O-log and runtime complexity. Okay, so we have to solve this question as binary search, not number search. So I want to tell you what is difference between binary search and number search. In number search, there is long duration of time period to search number, target number. In number search, loop runs for each number, each index, and then they will find target, and that is very slow process. And wherever in binary search, it will find in short time, as using it. It has to use, if number is present, target number is present in mid, in left side or right side, it will first of all target on mid. If target is present on mid, in left side of mid, or in right side of mid. If target is present in left side of mid, then it will be remove all right side, and they will not run loop for right side and not search in right side, because target is present in left side. So as this type, it will be find the number. So we will write approach. What I will approach for binary search for this question. So I want to explain again what question tells. Question tells, find the target number in this array and return the index of that target number. Okay, in nums array. So first of all, we will use two pointer. I will write int left is equal to 0. Okay, and int right is equal to nums dot size -1, because of index is less than 1, the size of array or anything. Okay, so now I will write it. So now we will run here not for loop, we will run here while loop, because we have not given any fixed or certain iteration. We will play here using condition. If condition will be verified, condition will be true, then it will be run further, and if condition will be wrong, then it will be not run further. So this is difference between a for loop and while loop. For loop based on fixed iteration, certain iteration that has given, suppose 1 to 10, you have to uh, iterate 1 to 10 means 10 times, but in while loop there is no fixed iteration, there is condition based iteration. So there will be given condition and they will be run as the basis of that condition. So now will be run here while loop because we have not given here fixed anything. Okay. As the basis of condition we will run this loop and we will find targeted number. Suppose just I told you that in binary search we will target on mid. Suppose and now I will show you. First of all I will run here while loop. While first of all here is main condition is if left will be less than or equal to right, then condition will be run. Okay. Okay. And now first of all we have to return index, so int mid, and we will target on array. Suppose this is nums array, I will target on mid. I will target on mid. I will focus on mid. We have to find target means 9. So I will not iterate it from one by one using for loop because that is lengthy, very lengthy, and that's called number search, not binary search. We have given binary search to find using binary search. So we will attack like first of mid on mid index. If and strategy of the using this binary search, when we will target on mid index. Suppose I will target on mid index, so we will target on mid index like I will write here index. This is index. Left 0 is starting index means 0th index, and first index 0th index, and int right it is last index, end index. Okay. So we will target on mid index using left plus right and divided by 2. So when I will add left index plus right index, it means this is array, nums array. I will this index add this index and this index means starting index and last index. Then it is divided by 2. Then it will be give us middle index. Okay. After that I will write a condition here. If nums mid means mid index, I will target on that mid is equal to it will compare and check type. Okay. Target means 9. Then return mid means return that index. Okay. So first of all I will dry run for this. Left plus right means left is equal to 0 plus right means nums dot size, and size of nums array 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 minus 1 means 5 means 0 plus 5. And in while loop we will check condition 0. Left is equal to 0 and right is equal to 5. Left is less than or equal to right means 0 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is passed here, condition will be passed, and after that we will target on mid index. So find mid index. Left means 0, right 5, 0 plus 5, 5 divided by 2 means 2. First will be 2 comes, means second index. So 0th, first and second index means 3. What? Nums second means nums, and at the position of mid we will replace by 2, and nums 2 will be 3, means 2 is index. So 3 is equal to 9, means targeted value. No, it is false. So it will not return mid, means it will not return this index. So after that this condition will be failed, and now will write next condition. If it is failed and it is sorted, means in ascending order, suppose, and now we will see here, and we will focus, and we will see this very carefully, that it is in ascending order. So we have to use binary search, is very easy. Suppose we will see here, we have seen here that that mid, int mid means index 2, index 2 means 3, 3 is not equal to targeted value, means 9, means 3 is less than 9. So we have we have after we have to after we have to after focusing or by our work, we have now removed this part, because this is less than target value. So I will not go for this left side. So now I will write condition else if nums mid less than target. Okay, less than target means nums mid means 3 is less than target. Then now we will remove it. So we will left will be updated here, means left side will be removed. Now left side will be not start from 0th index, it will be now start from left will be mid, means plus 1, means now it will be not count, or it will be not assume in array for searching targeted value. Now mid plus 1, left will be mid plus 1. Now after updated left, now it will be goes to this while loop. After updated, then left will be now mid plus 1, means index 2 plus 1 means 3, means left will be now 3. And now in while loop condition will be goes left is equal to 3, is left less than or equal to right, means 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, true, condition will be passed. Now int mid is equal to 3 plus 5 divided by 2 means 4, 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So now will be now index 4, then we will go to index 4, means 0th index, first index, second index, third index, and this is fourth index. Now fourth index is equal to 9. Now index 4 means goes in this condition. If nums 4 means at the position of mid, we will write 4 update mid, and nums 4 means nums 9 is equal to target, means 9. Yes, it is true. So now we have to return mid, means mid index, means mid is equal to 4. Okay, and this condition will be passed here. Suppose now for this question it is passed. Okay, now we have to return here, we have to return mid. return mid. But when now we have removed left side one time after running loop, means from left equal to 0, we have left this part, this part remove, and after that we have int left updated and count from this index, means index 3. Suppose here is nums mid less than target, then we have approach this, left will be updated. Suppose target will be less than nums mid, means target will be 5, and so suppose target will be 3 or 5, then means less than nums mid, means less than this. So we have to preserve our time. In we have to do this in short time. We have to remove this part, means right side part. So we for this we will write else update right is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, mid minus 1 when target will be less than mid, means suppose less than 3, less than 5, then we will remove right part, means we will here we will update right index mid minus 1, means this will be, suppose this will be mid, 5 will be mid, and target will be 3, means less than mid. So we will remove this part, means right index, this right index means last index, and we will update using mid minus 1, means mid minus 1 means suppose this is fourth index, so fourth minus 1 3, so right will be updated using 3. So this was whole and optimal solution for binary search. We suppose we will used number search, then it was easy. We have to nums I equal to target, then if true we have run our loop, then it will be true, then we have to return I. So this is for using binary search, not number search. In number search we have more time, and this is all more time used, more time you can save waste. So we have to use binary search. Using binary search, this was all about our optimal solution and in optimized way, and this is was all about our solution of question number 705 binary search. So friends, thank you to all of you, and this was solution. So friends,